So I'm just on my way back. Found a new landmark. I'm gonna come back here later on tonight. It's just so damn hot and so damn busy right now, but I can't say I nearly got scammed. But so I'm just walking along, and this guy from Kenya, he introduces himself as a guy from Kenya, and shows me a picture of his young baby and whatever else. Gives me a bracelet and a belt. Puts a bracelet on me, and I right away I already know what's happening, right? But yeah, he gave me a bracelet, he gave me a belt, and I'm like, I'm not taking stuff from you, man. Go sell this to a tourist or something. And yeah, so I'm like, no, I'll pass. And then he tries to put me through a guilt trip where he's like, look, maybe you could give me some change for my baby, because my baby was born yesterday, and stuff like that. And I'm like, nah, bro, you go ahead and you sell this. I told him, when you're a man and you have a child, you do whatever it takes to raise your family. And so I gave the stuff back to him, and he just walked away. But yeah, they're everywhere here, and obviously I stand out as a tourist. But it is now 1:18. I left quite some time ago. I've been walking along. It feels like I don't know how many kilometers I've walked. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm tired, I'm sweaty. I should be back in my hotel room in about half an hour. Then I'm going to grab a drink and grab something to eat. All I had was just a tiny little breakfast, if that. But today's been pretty good. Every damn day here's been pretty cool. What an adventure Rome is.